What's up, guys? Welcome back. Despicable Me 4 is out. So, Gru. Looking forward to this one. Hilarious movies, gotta say. Been binge watching all of them recently in my house. So, landscape page, pants eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Let's start with our boy Gru. So, he's looking this way. So, we got like his pointy sort of long nose going this way first, right? So, it goes curving, kind of pointy, right, and then comes back into his face there, like a little hook, and then he's got a nostril, and then it kind of hooks around for the skin just there. So his brow kind of comes up around here, and then we can see like his hairy sort of eyebrow just sticking off the side of his head there. His other eyebrow just here, so you got like a bit of a frown line, and then the eyebrow arches up real high, and then we will thicken it up and come back down. Very thin eye, he's squinting, so we'll go just here. Right, so it's like diagonal. And then the bottom eyelid line, around like that. And then his blue eye, just in here. And then his pupil coming around there. Eyelid line just above, and then his bottom eyelid line like that. So front of his face curves that way, bottom lip kind of sticks out a little bit, that just becomes his mouth there, and then his chin, just a round sort of face, disappears into a scarf. So top of his head, all the way around, goes like all the way around his ear, pointy sort of ear here. And then his ear line, like that. Right, and then scarf, right, so like back of his head, I guess we'll come a bit more then that way, and this scarf, right, so we'll go down like that, and then it seems to go down here, and then the front of it that way, and then it kind of just bumps down onto his shoulder, maybe like an extra bit that hangs down here, so like coming down his shoulder here, and his body hanging down just this way. And then he's got like a jacket collar, sticking out the top, and there's like some stitching just around this. And he's kind of like got this hunchback situation going on. So he's got like a large humped back going down there. Right, and he's holding a gun. You don't have to do the gun. You could keep that going down if you wanted and just finish it off sort of there. But if you want to do the gun, we'll add, well, his arm, you could go his arm hanging straight down, but we'll do sort of shoulder line, right? And it's got like shoulder line that way. And then it seems to just go down to an elbow. Very thin arms. Well, they get real thin down here anyway. Right, and then stitching sort of coming around here. It's always interesting the way they make such iconic characters with fold lines. So simple, like design wise. It's genius, really. And the scarf seems to just hang down a bit more here. And then there's black stripes on his scarf. So, and it kind of like just follows the fold of the scarf. You're just adding these sort of black lines. This is like black and purple-ish, or gray blue. And then they get kind of more straight coming across here then. Right, and then sort of his sleeve here. And then his hand is holding this gun, right? So his wrist comes out this way. Finger on the trigger, so it sticks out a bit higher up. And then just knuckles. Like that. And then clip here. And then it goes up. The trigger is here. It's like a big sort of cartoon ray gun. So it's like a little spike and a round back to it. It goes diagonally there. And then that way. Right, so then it goes another large sort of round barrel of a gun all out here. It kind of curves around the top. And it has these little spikes kind of sticking off. Kind of like that. It's like another thing here. so. And I think that's everything. Gru from Despicable Me 4. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.